So that is my makeup tutorial. Peace!
I think I've done Barbie proud. Okay, so I'm gonna try and redo a Barbie vlogs makeup tutorial. I've got the video here, I'm gonna watch it through and I'm gonna try and do what she does.
This will be a comic book pop art style makeup, and I hope you like it. Now basically the rule is you want to do a very sharp clear line wherever you would normally contour.
Okay.
Draw a straight line down the center of the nose and draw lines on either side of the bridge of the nose and around the nostrils. Then the jawbone, the chin,
that's
and
very
under the
flawless
cheekbone.
lines right there.
You can also outline the most prominent parts of the ear, which is really fun and makes the ear look multi-dimensional. Next, we're gonna do the eye.
Right, oh right, okay. I feel like this is just gonna go terribly wrong. Okay, straight line. Straight line. Simple as that, straight line. Oh. That's not really a straight line. Okay, right, okay. I don't want to commit. She makes it look so easy. Here. Okay, she's bloody doing the ears as well, and apparently it's really fun. It's kind of fun actually. Just go with it, just go with the flow. Go with the earlobe. Okay, right, don't think about it, just go and no. Okay, what's next, Barbie?
Next, we're gonna do the eyes. Fill in thick black eyebrows with a liquid liner.
Alright, so when she did it, it was just a very smooth line. Oh wow, look. Actually, it wasn't too bad. Right. Oh, how am I going to make these even? That was a miracle. I think they're even.
Then, use any color you want for the eyeshadow as long as it's bright and fun.
Yellow.
Outline the eye.
I'm going to grab this yellow and I'm going to put it on my face. Some yellow airbrush colour. Fuck it, let's use yellow. I'm feeling very blue. Grab this.
Outline the eyeshadow joining up to the eyeliner and thicken the eyeliner to match. And draw in some exaggerated lashes at the edges.
Oh, this is gonna... Oh, this is not gonna go well. I can feel it in my bones. Okay. Oh, you little... I'll fix it later. Oh, no. It's the only way. I've got to do the other eye. I don't want to do the eyes anymore. I think that's as even as I can get it, so I just have to let it dry. I completely forgot that we got to do the bottom bit of the eyes. I can't tell if they're even. Do I care? Oh yeah, I care a little bit actually. Okay, stop. Just a simple line on the forehead. A simple line. Oh, why did I do that? Oh! I might cry.
And lips. First, outline the lips. Then, fill in the lips with a bright lipstick color, leaving a small rectangular shape in one of the corners.
Outline the lips. What have I done? Oh, that bit went well. Let's power on through.
Then dots. Lots and lots of dots.
I've got some clown white here. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm going to finish this look with some lashes because Barbie.
So that is my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you have a fun and safe Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays. Peace!
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing because I will be uploading more content. Have a good day!